Have you ever wondered what the world looks like from a dog's point of view? Well, if you have, in this video we're going to show you how you can strap an action camera to your favorite pet, and it's super easy and super quick to do. Hey there, welcome to the channel. My name is Adventure Tim, and if you're into action cameras like Osmo Action 5 Pros and GoPros, then you are in the right place. So why not stick around, hit that notification bell and the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the cool stuff that's happening in the world of action cameras. All right, let's get on with this doggone video. So let's take a closer look at this doggy mount we've got here. So if we have a look here on the mount, on the very top you can see there's a location where you can put in or slide in a buckle mount, your normal action camera buckle mount. And there's also one here on this little attachment which goes underneath the doggy as well. So there we go there. So it's pretty easy to put them on or take them off. So we'll just pop him in. Ta-da! Now, it's a little bit disappointing, but you actually don't get a thumb screw with this particular accessory, which is a bit annoying, but normally you'd have one of those in your GoPro or your DJI Osmo Action Kit anyway. So when you fix your camera is going to sit in here. You can either have it facing forward, of course, or back. This part here is going to sit towards the back of your animal, the back of your dog. Now, have a look here at the straps. As you can see, each side there are these gorgeous looking straps. Around the front is like is actually like a stretchy material, like a rubber kind of loop thing that kind of goes from the top piece and loops around the bottom piece. If we have a look here, you can see how these straps have a little hook on it, and this little hook here at the top, that just feeds through the hole that we have here at the top of the mount. So all you need to do is wrap this around your dog and then get the end piece of it and just carefully wiggle it in. Yep, wiggle in like so, and you use these straps to adjust as you need, of course, depending on the side of your dog. I like this though as well. They have these little extra pieces of fabric here where you can actually tuck any excess cable that you have or any excess strap that you have to get it out of the way of your wee doggy or your cat. So that's pretty good to know. So as I said, there's two on each side of the mount, and it's a very, very easy to affix to your favorite animal. Okay, so this here is one of my favorite dogs. His name's Rex. He's one of my friend's dogs. Rex, probably from Tyrannosaurus Rex. He's very big, he's a wolfhound. He's very clever and he's beautiful, and I love him. And I'm gonna show you how we can attach this little mount here from FidoFlex onto our friendly Rex here. Okay, so first of all, by the way, Rex is very big and he's lovable. First of all, you want to put this part, come here Rex, you want to put, oh, come on. You got to put this part here over his head like so. Yep, good boy, that's it. All right, and then you want to make sure he's not eating it. You want to make sure that you kind of have it under their tummy so it's not going to hurt them, okay? Now here, we got on the side of the dog, I've got a strap here. This one here is the rear strap. I'm just going to wrap that round, and there's a little hook that we're going to put it into. Good boy. Okay. And then there's another one on the other side as well. Rex, turn around. The camera wants to see you, mate. I don't want to see your bum. Oh, there we go. Okay, great. All right, so this other one here is another strap. Just hope we don't see a cat. No, it's okay, it's okay. Come back, Rex. Come back. Okay. All right, and this one here is the other strap, which we want to wrap around, and we want to attach to the other side of him. Okay, oh, Rex, come on. Come back, mate. Come back. Good boy. Now, where's the other strap? Come here. Rex. Come back. Okay. All right, Rex. All right, so we saw another dog, and Rex got a little bit excited. Rex, it's okay, mate. It's okay. They're going. All right, so this gives me the opportune time to wrap this other cable around him, and I'm going to feed it through
the loop on the other side. So these little kind of hook things here, we'll put a close up there for you to see. Okay, so right now, Rex, are we on properly? Oh, he's just got to fix him up a little bit. All right, Rex, you got to put this leg through here, mate. This one, come on, good boy, good boy. All right, great. Now, what you'll need to do is make sure that it's kind of tight on the dog. That way, like you're not going to hurt him, but just tighten it enough so it's going to be sitting there firm and it's not going to move around too much. Good boy, Rex, you are being amazing. Absolutely bloody amazing, dog. Good boy. Put this under here, hang on, under here. Good boy, good boy. Okay, and now we're going to attach it to here, like so. So we're gonna chuck it in there. Great. Okay, so it's a little bit twisted, but the main thing is that he's actually nice and comfortable on there. Now, we've got the camera set up. On the back of our Rexy today, I've got a GoPro Hero 11 Black. Great little camera. Stabilization is definitely on. Okay, so Rex is all sorted. As you can see, he's strapped on. It's not moving around too much and he's comfortable. Now, I think Rex wants to go for a walk. Press the record button and off we go. As you can see, Rex is on the prowl. Wolfhounds have incredible sense of smell, and he's going crazy in this park here. He just really loves it. He's picking up so many amazing scents. And although he's a big dog, he's a lot of fun. And now he's having a bit of a run, and so am I. Okay, we better catch up with him. Rex, all right, Rex, you come back. Rex. All right, good boy. Okay, whew. Now, as I said, this harness can suit dogs, large ones, medium-sized ones, small ones as well. With a small dog, you will have a little bit of extra strap. So you might have to find some way to kind of, tie that up so it doesn't get in the way of the dog. But with Rexy, being a big badass dog, we actually used up most of the straps wrapping around him. Anyway, so what do you oops, right here. All right, you had to stop for a, let's call it a water break. So what do you guys think? Is this something that you would use for your favorite pet? Actually, let me know in the comment section the name of your favorite pet. And maybe, kind of give them a shout out in the comment section. As I showed you earlier on, there is actual spot for a buckle mount on the bottom of your pet as well, or bottom of your dog. It took me about a good 10 to 15 minutes of wrestling to put this one on Rexy. So we're not going to try that bottom one today. That's another way that you can mount your action camera to get a different perspective when you're out walking with your dog. All right. I think Rex is keen to go.
All right, great. So this time for this part of the video, we've actually strapped the DJI Osmo Action to my dog Mac, and it's actually on the undercarriage buckle mount right now. So we're going to go for a walk right now and see how the footage looks from this lower angle.
Although I love this angle and I had the stabilization on, Mac is only a small dog, and even after fully tightening the straps, this footage is still not that great. This setup though would work much better with a bigger dog.
Hey, thanks for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to strap an action camera like a GoPro or a DJI Osmo or even an Insta360 onto the back of your favorite pet. To learn more about the cool things you can do with action cameras, you want to click on this video over here, right Mac? Now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.